Hey there, Algebra. We got lesson 4-5 here. We're going to be doing problems 4 through 12. Our learning target is I can create and interpret scatter plots. You have done these before. There just might be a few like vocab words or things like that that you need to learn. Here I have a table of years and species. This has to do with the endangered species. So the years here and species right here. It's usually good to have our time is usually always on our x-axis, just something to remember. So in 96, there were 91 and up to about 91. Make myself a dot. 97, there was 79, so just under 80. 62. 99, there was 11, so drastic drop there. 2000 went up to 39. 01, there was 10. 02, there was 9, so right around there. There is our scatter plot. That would be how we're going to create that. Now the next step to interpret that, I'm going to switch this over to the book. We would have these things called correlations. Positive correlations when it's going to go up and to the right. Negative correlation is down and to the right, and no correlations when it's kind of all over the place. If we were to look at this one, it's kind of a negative correlation, but I'd also probably include no correlation because this one's kind of an outlier. But if that one was gone, it would definitely be a negative correlation. So kind of going with that, you can kind of see that right here. We're going to identify correlations. So for this one, it says the number of empty seats in a classroom and the number of students seated in the class. So if we were to think about that as a graph, I'll kind of draw a small one real quick. This would be number of students and number of empty desks. Well, if I have a lot of students, I'm going to have a low number of desks. So that could be a dot. Likewise, if I have barely any students, there's going to be a lot of empty desks. There's going to be a lot of dots like this. This would be a negative correlation. We can kind of anticipate dots going down that way. A different one would be like B, is the number of pets a person owns and the number of books that person read last year. So no correlation. There's nothing in common between those two things. Third one, the monthly rainfall and depth of a reservoir. So again, if I were to try another one like this, if I were to say depth, so the farther this way, the deeper it gets, and the time of reservoir, the less time, so lower time, it's going to have not that much depth, but more time is going to get deeper and deeper and deeper. This one would be, oh, I'm looking at the screen and to the right, would be a positive correlation. Again, we're doing 4 through 12. If you need help, please email me or Zoom with me at noon. Good luck.